Welcome to today's episode of Tech Insights, where we dive into the fascinating world of web development tools. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a powerful tool called snapDOM, which is redefining how developers capture DOM elements in high fidelity. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Upbeat intro fades out. As web developers, we often get caught up in the vast array of libraries and frameworks available to us. But every so often, a tool comes along that makes us say, wow, why didn't I think of that? And that's exactly what snapDOM does. Picture this. You have a beautiful web component, complete with styles, fonts, and maybe even a shadow DOM. You want to capture that as an image. Traditionally, this could be a bit of a hassle, right? Well, snapDOM changes all that. So what is snapDOM? In simple terms, it's a high-fidelity DOM capture tool. What's really cool is that it converts any HTML element into a scalable SVG image. Just think about that. All your styles, backgrounds, and even pseudo-elements like those decorative touches you tend to add, they're all preserved. It's like a time capsule for your web elements. And the versatility doesn't stop there. With snapDOM, you can export your captures into various formats like PNG, JPG, WebP, or even as an HTML canvas. Imagine having the ability to take a snapshot of a complex component without losing any of its visual integrity. That's a game changer. Now, if we dive a little deeper, one of the standout features of snapDOM is its lightweight. It relies 100% on standard web APIs, which means you don't have to worry about extra dependencies cluttering your project. Installation is actually super straightforward. Whether you're using a CDN, a direct script tag, or importing it as a module, snapDOM offers flexibility that adapts to your workflow. Let's talk about how you can use snapDOM in practice. For instance, say you have a coffee shop website, and you want to capture a specific promotional banner as an image to share on social media. With just a few lines of JavaScript, you can easily grab that element, apply a scale factor for higher resolution, and voila! You have a perfectly captured image ready to go. Here's a little snippet of how this might look. You call snapDOM document.querySelector myElement, and just like that, it captures everything beautifully. Exciting, right? But hold on, it gets even better. snapDOM also features really smart capabilities when it comes to managing elements you might not want to capture. For example, with attributes like data capture exclude, you can simply omit certain elements without messing with your layout. It's attention to detail like this that sets snapDOM apart. And for those wondering about performance, snapDOM is remarkably speedy when it comes to capturing larger and more complex DOM structures. In fact, it outperforms many popular libraries by a significant margin, particularly as the size of the DOM increases. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. In an age where visuals are so essential for engagement, how do you think tools like snapDOM can change the way we share information online? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap. snapDOM is a versatile, high-fidelity DOM capture tool that preserves your web elements in stunning detail. It's lightweight, easy to integrate, and can save you tons of time when you need to grab images of your web components. Plus, its performance in handling larger DOM structures is impressive. So, next time you're working on that web project, give snapDOM a try. Who knows? It might just become an invaluable part of your toolkit. Thanks for joining me today on Tech Insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting discussions, and